Hey guys, today I'm going to answer one of the many questions I get when it comes to pipe and drape and transporting your equipment. So I often get asked, do the kits that we carry come with bags? And although our kits do not come with bags, you can purchase bags separately. But today I'm going to show you another alternative if you don't have a bag and you don't want to fork the cost to purchase a bag. I always use these ball bungees, which is perfect for securing your equipment together in a bunch. So normally what I do, especially when I'm traveling during my draping workshops, I normally would get the equipment for each student and I would just tie it up as one kit so they're able to just take their entire kit over to their workstation. So I'm going to show you just how we do that, the easy way, and the links will be down below to tell you how you can get your very own. Okay, so just like I mentioned, these are the ball bungees up close, and I'm going to just take 2 of these since I only have 3 poles to secure my kit, right? So all you would do is take the entire 3 pieces, go around, and then just secure it in a ball, just like that. I normally do 1 on each end, just for extra security. Just like that. And even if I have an entire kit which have 2 crossbars, I still do it the same way. So once I finish doing that, it's so much easier to carry because you just pick it up and go. So again, this is so easy for you guys to transport. It's easy if you're getting one of our kits, which is the Posh Basic Kit, the Posh Premium Kit, or the Posh Mobile Kit. Guess what? All of these, since they're so short in height, can actually fit in your vehicle easily. So you can take them in your vehicle and guess what? Pick them up just like that. And you're well on your way. I normally kind of carry mine sideways, and I'm able to carry them just like this, wherever I'm going, right into the venue. So again, you will find the links down in the description where you can pick these babies up for yourself, and they are not that expensive. So stick around, stay tuned, check me out for more great tips, tricks, and resources for pipe and drape, and I'll see you guys on the inside.